Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it.
We are on the topic probability. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the probability of an event after tossing a coin. We are going to solve another question in this video. The question for this video is, 3 fair coins are tossed once. Write down the set of possible outcomes. What is the probability of obtaining I, exactly 2 heads, I, no tail, I, not more than 1 head? So here we have 3 fair coins and they are tossed once. And our first task is to write down the set of possible outcomes. And using that set of possible outcomes, we are going to find the probabilities of these events. We learned in the previous video that when you toss a coin once, the set of possible outcomes are a head and a tail. We will use H to represent the head and T to represent the tail. We also learned that when you toss a coin twice, using this table, we were able to find out that after tossing a coin twice, the set of possible outcomes are head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. So we can see clearly from here that this first set represents the possible outcomes after tossing a coin once, and the second set represents the possible outcomes after tossing a coin twice. Now we want the possible outcomes after tossing a coin thrice or 3 times. To get that, we are going to combine these two sets. How are we going to do that? We will draw this simple table. The first row will represent the possible outcomes after tossing a coin twice. So we have a head and head here. We have a head and a tail here. We have a tail and a head here. And we have a tail and a tail here. And the first column will represent the possible outcomes after tossing a coin once. So we have a head and a head here. Then we have a head here, and a tail here. So this is the possible outcomes after tossing a coin twice, and this is the possible outcome after tossing a coin once. When you combine them, you get the possible outcomes after tossing a coin thrice. How do we combine it? In this cell here, we can see that we have head here, we have head here. So if you are combining them, it means that you are going to have head, head, head. When you come here, we have a head here, we have a head and a tail here. So when you are combining them, you are going to have a head, head, tail. Here we have a head here, we have a tail and a head here. So combining them, you have a head here, then tail, head. So head, you bring this one, tail, head. So head, tail, head. Then finally, we have a head here, we have a tail and tail here. So you are going to have a head, tail, tail. You are going to do the same thing here. We have a tail here, so a tail, but we also have a head and head here. So tail, head, head. We have a tail here, we have a head and a tail here. So we have a tail, head, tail. When you come here, we have a tail here, we have a tail and a head here. So tail, tail, head. Then finally, we have a tail here, we have a tail and a tail here. So tail, tail, tail. Now this means that when you toss a coin thrice or 3 times, the possible outcomes are what you have in this table here. A head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. These are the possible outcomes after tossing a coin thrice. Now, when you count the members, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means that after you have tossed a coin thrice or 3 times, the set of possible outcomes are these, and the number of members in this set is 8. So our sample space is 8. The first probability we are going to find is the probability of obtaining exactly 2 heads. So here the event we are looking for is exactly 2 heads. So you go to this sample space, or you come to this set, then you look for the members with exactly 2 heads. Now remember, exactly 2 heads, so we want 2 heads only. This is the first one, head, head, tail. This is the second one because it has 2 heads, and this is the third one. The others have 3 heads or 1 head. We are not looking for that. We are looking for exactly 2 heads, and these 3 satisfies that condition. So the number of members in this event is 3. Our sample space is 8. So the probability is going to be 3 divided by 8. The next one is probability of obtaining no tail. Probability of obtaining no tail. So our event is no tail. So we are looking for members in this sample space with no tail. This is the first one because there is no tail here. Now we can see from here that it's only 1. No tail is only 1. So the probability is going to be 1 divided by the sample space, which is 8. The third one, we are looking for the probability of obtaining not more than 1 head. So that is the event, not more than 1 head. So you come here and you look for members with not more than 1 head. That means that 1 head or no head at all, because not more than 1 head. So 1 head or no head at all. Now we are looking for members with 1 head or no head at all. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. So we have 4 of them. The sample space is 8. So our probability is going to be 4 divided by 8. And when you simplify that, you are going to get 1 divided by 2. So the probability of obtaining not more than 1 head after tossing a coin thrice is 1 divided by 2. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the probability of an event after rolling a die. Bye-bye.